How to use CapCut templates in TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. You will be able to do this in two ways. First, by logging into the CapCut application, and you will go to the templates section. Now you will select the template and go to export. Then tap on cut and share in TikTok. Now, if you want to use a CapCut template in TikTok, you will simply enter to the TikTok application. And as you can see here, you will find several posts that have CapCut templates. Here you will be able to tap here and use these templates to create your videos. If you want to search for more CapCut templates, you will just go to the top right corner and type in CapCut templates. And here you can find many videos with different CapCut templates. You'll just tap on try this CapCut template and then you can use them. And that's it, guys. I hope it was useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.